Good morning. I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsey with Always Yarn First.
And this morning we're doing the June unboxing for the Stock Yarn Society subscription that we do here at Arkansas Yarn Company. This is the bag. If you've been curious about what it's like, this is a great way for you to get a sneak peek.
Yeah. Here is the theme card with all the goodies. And
Yes.
I see that there is a coupon code on the back.
There is.
Excellent.
This box is so good.
I'm gonna take this off.
It's called You Glow Girl.
It reminds me of your roller derby colors.
Sort of. Except that these are brand new neon colors. So there's never been a neon blue before.
Yeah, I like
and it's a brand new color out. So I ordered in all brand new neon dyes
Love it.
for this.
There's like a lighter section right there.
For this. So
yeah.
it's super good. And then we put a line of black in between each of it to kind of really show it off.
You glow girl.
Yes.
T.
Which
Always to match the
I
colors.
really love because we work really hard to make sure everything matches.
Okay. This thing, which I was like, what the heck is this thing?
It tells you on the card, it's a black light. So you can see
Probably won't show.
I don't know.
Oh, there it goes.
You can see the yarn glow. So we gave you
Nice.
a black light so you can see the yarn glow.
And then I'm just going to hold it this way.
So we made a progress keeper, and it's a mason jar, and there's sparkle inside there that glows. And then the Arkansas State progress keeper that we put in every box, that also is made with glitter that glows. It's so pretty, and it goes with the blue. Everything goes with the blue from the new neon color. And then we asked Sam's Tiny Trinkets to make us something to go along with this.
That's adorable.
And she made us another mason jar with fireflies in there, and those also glow in the dark.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's
so
cool.
the whole theme is glow. You glow girl. And then I don't know if y'all know this or not, but we sell Jane Iredale makeup, and this is glow primer. So you can put it on underneath your makeup, and you can get your glow on.
Nice.
Yes.
That is a fun. That's a fun theme.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. Next month is going to be super awesome. I'm really, really, really excited about next
Well,
month.
I have my blanket in front of me too, so that I'm just like looking at the color progression this year. There's no way to flatten this. I swear I flattened this the other day, but it just does not want to lay flat. So this is January, February, March, April. I finished April and May, y'all. I got caught up. Oh my gosh, last month is out of control.
Last month is so good.
And it's going to be similar with this month. Oh, it's good.
Yes.
It's really good.
And then you'll have...
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yes. So we're progressively getting darker, if you've noticed.
So I want to talk about my blanket just for a minute here.
Yes.
So I am doing the Chevron Fade blanket. It is a free pattern by, is it Beata? It's from Hedgehog Fibers. It is a free pattern, so I'm not giving anything away here. Now, I was noticing, like some of my sections here, usually what you do is you do the color, the chevron, and then you do a row of border around, which I'm using your sparkle on Silent Service, is that color, and then you connect them together. So I did that for the first 3 months, but I was really not I thought it was looking sloppy. And I might not tell from this far, but close up, like there's just some spots that look sloppy. Now, I was rereading the pattern, and when it tells you to do this border, the first round, it tells you to like skip so many stitches. And I think that's what I did for these. But if you notice, I think it looks
stretched.
It looks like you're stretching it out, which this is already having a hard time laying flat. And I feel like when you connect them, it just makes it so much worse. So these two, I had ignored that And after the fact,
I think it's better.
Yeah, after the fact, after you do this part, then at the end you do another border around the whole blanket to kind of have that thickened border. And that it says to single crochet in each stitch, except for going on the chevron part. And I just think this looks so much nicer.
It does.
And so I'm like, forget it. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting this blue, and I'm going to redo these. Mm-hmm. Cutting this blue isn't going to affect the chevron. Those are all together, seamed in. I'm just going to redo the borders, and then I'm going to steam it all out.
I think you'll be happier with that.
I think I will too, because I was just wondering why I wasn't wanting to attach it, and then I was looking, and I'm like, oh, because I did the wrong thing with this, but it looks so much nicer.
It does.
So that's I'm not frogging the whole blanket, but I am going to deconstruct this, redo it. And so next month, hopefully it'll be nice.
Yeah.
In one piece.
That'd be excellent.
Yeah.
I have my blanket, and I'm going to tell you that I am not caught up. Although I am, I just need last month's, and I didn't have it at home, and I'm getting ready to start feathering it in. Mm-hmm. But I cannot tell you how happy I am with my blanket. Mm-hmm. And for those of you who don't know, I actually wrote the pattern for this. It's beautiful. I'm like super happy with the way it's coming out. And
you haven't gotten into the funky colors yet.
No, I'm getting ready to. But if y'all can see the progression of the colors, it is going to be so beautiful. And I am quasi dyeing the yarn to blend in with this fade because of every month, because it's really on my heart that they work together this time.
Stunning.
And I love it. And I will tell you as a pro tip for my pattern when I release this, I'm using one of these row counters from Twice Sheared Sheep. And we carry them here in stock. I need to order some large, but I am keeping up with what row number I'm on. I have a 8-row repeat on this, and it is really helping me know where I am.
Yeah.
And this has been a game changer for me.
Yeah.
But I'm in love with it. It's so gorgeous, and I obviously haven't blocked it, so it's going to block out quite a bit bigger. And I'm literally using almost all of each month. So I still have quite a bit of last month's color, the month before April's color to put in. But yeah, we've been kind of busy around the store lately. But
and we are holding yarn double.
We are holding
a make along, and you just have to hold yarn double.
Yeah, we're having a make along, and you can crochet or you can knit. It's called Nothing But Double. And we periodically pull prizes for
which I pulled one, you guys, finally.
Yes.
I remembered before we podcast here.
Yes, and so her name, the winner of our quarterly prize is
Jenny Lee Knits. From Instagram.
JennyLeeknits, Jenny Lee Knits. So get in contact with one of us so you can get your prize.
Yeah.
But we're super excited to have the make along. You can knit or crochet. It has to be a blanket, and you have to hold it double.
Hold yarn double.
Yep.
Same yarns together, different colors, different weights, whatever.
Yes. Anyway, that do we have anything else?
I don't think so. Oh, also, for putting your Nothing But Double and other things, you can go to Arkansas Yarn Co. Ravelry. I will say, we're in the process of switching our Ravelry group.
We are.
So make sure when you go in, it is a newly activated one. It'll say, welcome to our new Ravelry group. The other one will eventually be deactivated. So.
Yes. So it's the one that has Arkansas and then a space and then yarn and a space and then CO.
Right.
So that's our new one.
So
while we didn't have that many people as members, we thought it was a good time to create the new one.
Right. And we plan to be more active, whether it's Lorri, the girls here, or me on Ravelry, to be active so that we can really grow that space and have a community, because not everyone is on Instagram.
That's right.
So that's just another space where you can show us what you're making, you can get involved, you can ask questions.
We love it when you are super chatty with us. Also, if you're knitting, if you are participating in the make along, you get, and you're using my yarn, you get double entry. So, but you are not required to knit with our yarn in order to be part of the make along.
Yep. Yeah.
So anyway,
I think
yes,
that's it.
thank you for that. And
Yeah.
then, yes, and you'll see all the things that we have. Lindsey has helped me set it up, where now we have events, which before we made it new because our old one didn't allow us to do all of these events. And
I think maybe eventually I'll make a separate video on how to find things and navigate on there.
that would be great.
So, because a lot of people would like to get involved but don't know how to find certain
Yes.
things. So,
Yes. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us. We love showing you a sneak peek of the Arkansas Yarn Company's Sock Yarn Society every month. Lindsey does a great job.
Is the subscription open right now?
The subscription is open right now, but I
right,
think it's
so
going to
sign
close
up.
on the 10th. So yes, go in there now. If you know somebody who has been wanting to join and it's been closed, please let them know that it's open now. We're accepting just a few new subscribers to fill in the people who've dropped off for whatever reason. And yeah, we would love it. We love having new people.
Yeah, totally.
And when you have a new person, those people with SYS5, they get $5 off their first box.
Awesome.
Yes. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us. We love it. We appreciate you.
Well, see you next month.
Thanks and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.